Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick walkthrough, I will show you how to schedule Zaps in Zapier to make them run at specific times or interval. Let's get started. First, create a new Zap, and for your trigger, search for and select Scheduled by Zapier. Now, choose how often you want it to run: hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. For example, select every day if you want it to run once per day. Next, set the time of the day you want the Zap to activate. Be sure to use the correct time zone to match your needs. Once that's set, move to the action step. Choose what should happen when the scheduled time arrives. This could be sending a reminder email, posting to Slack, or updating its spreadsheet. After everything is configured, click Test to confirm it works, then Publish to make it live. Your Zap will now automatically run at the time you scheduled. No manual work needed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.